swing, 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 swing. Hi, Mama.
All right, this is the disaster that is my workshop. This is pretty much what has happened over the last while of not wanting to bother with this room. I am actually a bit embarrassed by this. We had to clean out the basement, so a lot of stuff that was in the basement just got put in here because that was over winter. And I was working on some projects outside, so a bunch of that wood is in here. Recycling never gets sent out when it should. It's been sitting there for way too long and has been overflowing, which is the mess of stuff you see there and the mess of stuff that you see there. I'm actually missing a bunch of my tools. I have no idea where they are. I'm hoping that by cleaning up this mess I will find them, because I need my tools. I have a few that have just kind of ended up sitting right by the door. Easier to get at, I suppose. But yeah, this is going to be a massive undertaking. Oy, oy, oy. This is the after. I am done. My husband helped me with a number of things here, especially this part. I couldn't actually get this on the wall no matter how hard I tried. I just didn't have the upper body strength I needed, I guess, to get the screws into the wall. That box is in here, and that box is in here for a reason. I have a project that I want to finish by, well, I have 2 days to do it, so now I actually have room in my workshop to do it in, and I'm so happy. I am going to be building something for, well, out of cardboard for the kids for the bike parade that's coming up. So yeah, this is just, oh my goodness, it's so clean. That box is gone forever. It is never coming back. The pegboard, I'm so thrilled about the pegboard because now I have access to my tools a lot easier than before. And the wood, I can actually access my wood. I got all my clamps over here, my tall ones. I had them kind of all over the place before. My little ones are kind of just clamped onto there for now. And so all my stuff, I threw out a bunch of little pieces of wood, not very much though. Most of it is still just kind of reorganized. I got my rug pieces because I'm making a dollhouse for my daughters and I want to use the carpet pieces for that. And so yeah. Now I have my trash can and my recycling bin right by the door, so I can easily just open the door, toss stuff in, and I'm done. I don't have to run all the way over there to deal with it. I'm so happy. This makes me so happy. You have no idea. Oh, yay. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe for more videos like it.